Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I'm going to be sharing with you some cinematic light quotes. If you guys have watched my video on this cinematic light box unboxing, there I have said that I will do a video wherein I'll show you 10 ideas, 10 lightbox quote ideas, just to give you a brief insight how you can customize your quotes and just to get you started. So yeah, today I'm going to do just that. So yeah, but before that, my name is Rumi and welcome to my channel. If you are here for the first time and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. And that's the name of my channel. So subscribe to my channel if you have not yet already. Thank you. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and this video gave you a brief idea how you can customize your lightbox. And so if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and Also comment down below if this video was helpful for you, and which are some of the quotes which you like to use in your cinematic light box. I would really love to hear that out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye, and have a beautiful day ahead.